Hello my dear students. Now I am going to explain you another important concept in genetics, that is Rh blood types. My dear students, we have studied that we have two types of antigens present on surface of the RBC, right? A and B. A or B. These two antigens are present on the RBCs of human beings. So antigen A upon the surface of RBC, they are said to be A blood group. If B antigen found on the RBC surface, they are said to be B blood group. And if both are present on the surface of RBC, they are said to be AB blood group. But apart from that, Carl Landsteiner and Wiener discovered another antigen upon the surface of RBC in the rhesus monkeys for the first time. Macaca mulatta, it's the scientific name. For the first time, they identified another antigen found on RBC apart from A and B. So they named it as a rhesus factor from the rhesus monkeys. So Rh factor. We can call it as anti-D, antigen D also. So my dear students, later these two scientists discovered this anti-D antigen upon the surface of RBC of human beings also. So as we have studied that antigen A, having people are known as A blood group people. But after that they observe if the antigen D also present, they said to be A positive. If B people are having anti-D, so they are said to be B positive. If antigen D type antigen is missing, they are said to be negative, Rh negative. So first blood group will be, later positive negative will be based on the presence of rhesus factor. Actually rhesus factor is a dominant trait, comes by heredity, right? So generally we have studied that A antigen blood group people are having the B antibodies in their plasma. B blood group people, B antigen having people are having the A antibodies, right? But the thing is, the people who are having antigens, they won't have the antibodies, and the people are not having the antigen Rh antibody, there naturally no antibodies are found, and Rh antibodies are not found in any human being. But when Rh positive, Rh antigen is transfused to negative, then they are able to produce Rh antibodies. Remember, Rh antibodies produced in the negative people when they receive blood from the positive. So negative people can give to the positive, but positive people cannot give to the negative. So this is regarding Rh blood types.